So 51-40 ang naging official score at the half. Meron yatang na-review na 3-point shot na long 2 lamang. Pero in a game na inakala ng marami na walk in the park para sa Smart Gilas Pilipinas, nahihirapan tayong layuan etong Bahrain. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat. Mag-umarjan kasama si Coach Ronnie Magsanok. Ang daming factor na iniisip natin, pero yung kanina pa natin pinagkikwento ang fatigue, having played the last game last night and the second game ngayong Sabado, gaano kalaking factor?
Posible yan, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa depensa, because if there's one thing that was quite a problem for us in the first half, especially in the second quarter, yun na yung ating one-on-one defensive coverage. Yun ang naging dahilan kung bakit na-outscore tayo ng Bahrain in that second quarter, 22 against 21. Kung kaya yung ating kalamangan, nahiwa nila. Ito, as Japet Aguilar firing that interior basket once again.
At tumihigpit na ang depensa ng Smart Gilas Pilipinas. On the run, Japet Aguilar seeing his first taste of action, nakakuha ng layup.
Kahapon nga, 3 minuto lamang inilaro itong si Japet Aguilar, but also scored 4 points in 3 minutes. Hindi naman problema yung field goal shooting natin, nasa 68%. Ang problema, 58% na lang talaan ng Bahrain from the 2-point area. We want to lower that definitely. We want to force turnovers, and we want to take away easy shots.
Ito si Japet Aguilar owning all 4 points for the Philippines dito sa ating third quarter.
Yan din yung tema nung first quarter. We made the early stops in the first quarter. We were able to get a running game and drop down to the open court. Kung kaya't mabilis tayo nakakuha ng malaking kalamangan.
55-40, Alapag. Higit nila bola over to Douthit. Spinning into the lane, Marcus Douthit, knock-away layup.
There will be no possible matchups that can defend against Douthit on that shaded area, even against Japet Aguilar. For as long as we make a conscious effort to get that ball close to the basket, and now it's a huge 17-point lead.
Ito na yung biggest, for this particular game. 6 consecutive points rattled off by Smart Gilas Pilipinas.
And it starts with our defense. The individual defense has to be really very tough dahil Marcus Douthit supplies the last line defense. Okay naman yun eh. Asitaw Lava okay din. Pero pagdating sa one-on-one defense, nagka-problema tayo kaninang second quarter.
And etong Bahrain, gusto munang pag-usapan ang kanilang plan of attack. Early timeout dito sa third quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Outlast Battery. Etong si Japet Aguilar nga has provided the spark dito sa third quarter assault ng Smart Gilas Pilipinas. 4 na puntos na ang kanyang naiambag dito at mukhang nagigising-gising na ang ating Gilas boys.
Well, kailangan talaga dahil mahirap pag nakadikit itong Bahrain. And when they begin to think that this is a winnable game for them, mahirap. And we force another turnover, Rick.
Alapag feeding Chris Chu for the left-handed layup at ganun-ganun lang. 19 na biglang abante ng Gilas Pilipinas.
8 points inside the first 2 minutes. And more importantly, we haven't missed from the field. At idagdag mo pa dyan, tumibay ang ating depensa.
So yung adjustments dito to begin the second half, Alapag in place of Baroka to sa starting unit, tapos si Aguilar, pinalitan niya si kay Ranidel de Ocampo. Pull-up jumper off the crossover, wala, Japet Aguilar. Skying high for the rebound. Eto na si Alapag. Gustong puntahan si Marcus Douthit.
But look at the way Marcus Douthit is sprinted. Ngayon, na merong Japet Aguilar, pag nakuha ni Japet, pwedeng tumakbo si Marcus Douthit to anchor the fast break. But definitely, itong si Japet Aguilar just making the most out of the extended minutes na nakukuha siya.
Eto na naman, Japet now with 6 points. Blackjack na ang abante ng Pilipinas, 61-40.
6 points in under 3 minutes for the young Japet Aguilar, starting the third quarter.
Malabes. Nakita yung kanilang kuya na si Malala. Bahrain, hindi pa nakakabutas dito sa third quarter. Douthit clears the board against 3 white shirts.
Kung makita mo, pagka-penetrate niya, nag-leak out na agad yung 3 players ng Pilipinas at yung outlet man na lamang ang natira doon upang magabang sana ng outlet pass coming from Douthit. 61-40. This is the kind of defense that we need to be able to employ day in, day out if you want to progress deeper into the tournament and entertain hopes of getting past itong second round, quarterfinal round, and make it to the semis.
Talagang consistency will be key, no? This is now a 10-0 run para sa Smart Gilas Pilipinas sa unang 3 minuto ng ating second half. Chu Going to the outside. JV Casio buries the 3. Meron pang foul as the shot went in.
Mukhang galing yung kay Marcus Douthit. He was being blocked out by a big guy of Bahrain, but he cleared that guy out. Parang isinantabi. JV Casio hitting the first 3-point basket of Team Pilipinas here in the third. A 13-0 blast in the first 3 minutes and 14 of the third quarter.
Bahrain na mo problema. Run of 14-0 to...
50 na nga pala tayo. Binalik from 51, ano? Yung talaan nung first half.
Yung last 1 point yata na first half. Pero 13-0 to open the, ano. Tama naman pareho.
Salamat.
Mari. Napunta kay Chu. Here comes Alapag. Feeling Aguilar. Nakikita mo si Japet yung kanyang gigil dito.
Yung enthusiasm.
Infecting the rest of Gilas
And
Pilipinas.
this is the energy that young players will be able to give you. Limited action, the first 3 games, getting a start here in the third in the power forward position. Japet Aguilar has played with a lot of energy here in the third. 6 quick points, some big rebounds, and once again helping out Marcus Douthit control that frontline defense for the Philippine squad.
So si Coach Raiko pushing the right buttons.
Naririnig natin yung sigaw, oh. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Sama-sama po tayo dyan.
At kahit sa rebound play na yan, may konting kiskisan, ano? Nagkakapikunan na yata itong bigs ng Bahrain at si
Alam
Marcus
mo,
Douthit.
Magu, although inaasahan natin na malalampasan natin ng Bahrain, nakalimutan nating sabihin na we also expect them to really fight for their dear life. Kasi kung sakasakali, ito ang kanilang huling laro dito sa kanilang kampanya sa FIBA Asia dahil natalo na sila. Of course, sa koponan ng China, natalo na rin sila. Doon sa koponan ng, let's see, mamaya, sisilipin natin. UAE, tambakan, no?
Oo, pareho.
50 ang talo sa China. 52. 40 laban sa UAE. Subalit ito kanina, dumikit sila. Nahati nila. They breached the double-digit level. Nahati siya siyam. Subalit itong third quarter na matikas na panimula natin. Nag-alsa na naman ang ating kalamangan. 16 ang ating abante.
Mahigit 4 na minuto na lumilipas. Hindi pa nakakabutas ang Bahrain sa third quarter. Alapag. Shovel pass to Chu for the scoop finger roll.
We shot 68% from the 2-point area in the first half. Sabi nga natin, hindi problema ang opensa. Ang problema yung responsibilidad in defending one-on-one. But we have been able to buckle down to work here in the third. Good stop by Japet.
Japet getting it done on both sides of the floor.
Alam mo kasi, maguy ang depensa talaga. It starts, yung first line of defense is yung on the ball cover. You have to be accountable for the guy assigned to you. Dahil pag umasa ka sa help at nabutas yan, you will have to be rotating to an open man. And that is exactly what our problem was in the second quarter. Hindi tayo makastop individually kung kaya't umangat ang talaan dito.
Japet Aguilar! Gusto sanang wasakin yung ring dito, but he gets his own miss.
Talk about being pumped up.
And kahit itong si Marcus Douthit and the rest of the guys in blue, hinahanap si
binibigyan
Aguilar.
nila.
Hinahanap nila si Japet to provide the electricity here. And finally, Bahrain gets on the board sa third quarter. Mahigit kalahati ang lumipas bago sila naka-score.
Yes, and that came from a penetration from Maitam Isa. Nice move and a finish going to his left.
So bonus free throw para dito sa Bahrain. Sa harap ni Douthit, over the outstretched arms of Douthit, yung layup na yun. Intis lang bonus, another rebound for Japet. 70-42. Japet na naman doon sa ilalim. Asitaw Laba ang kasama niya ngayon doon sa front court.
Well, Magu, ito pinahinga na naman ni Coach Raiko si Marcus Douthit. Tignan natin kung hindi bababa ang antas ng ating laro. Another good entry pass coming from the left flank to Asitaw Laba. And Asitaw Laba continuing his fine form, playing in what could be his last international tournament.
Sabi naman niya, magre-retire na siya after this FIBA Asia Tournament. Mohamed Kamis whistled for that personal foul. 3-point play opportunity para kay Darak.
Close to 8 points a game, already with 7 in this ball game.
And more importantly, 5 for 5 from the free throw
Yes.
line. Itong si Asi.
At tignan natin ang bulusok dito ng Pilipinas. Defensively, we have only given up a single field goal. And we kept them scoreless in the first 5 minutes at least of the third.
Mac Baracael with the block on Bader Malabes. Dati na magkalaban niya nung koleyo pa lamang. Etong shot block na to, hatid sa inyo ng Electrogen D+. Depensa sa anumang panahon. At yun ang kailangan natin.
Yan
Anumang
talaga.
panahon, anumang oras, anumang sitwasyon, depensa ng Electrogen D+.
Yes. Katulad ng inaasahan natin na consistent effort on defense para sa ating koponan.
Mari with the pull-up. Asi. No looks it over to Japet. Naguluhan lang siya doon nung tatlong sumalubong sa kanya. 3-pointer on the way para sa Bahrain. Alapag to Japet for the jam. Pero traveling niya.
Yes.
Wrong footing nung nasa low bola.
Tama naman yung idea dito ni Jimmy. Nakita niya running once again itong si Japet Aguilar running hard down the lanes. Pero yun nga, yung pagsalo niya, he took an extra step. Subalit napakalaking kalamangan na para sa Pilipinas. 31-point lead over Bahrain.
Wala na pong 4 na minuto natitira sa ating third quarter. And Bahrain, ganito kaaga, looks like they are. Pero concentrate on that 3-point shot. Japet Aguilar finally gets his official jam.
And he has been a big spark, literally, for Team Pilipinas, coming off the bench, scoring in twin digits. Just like that, the Philippines has scored over 23 points here in the third quarter. But more importantly, keeping Bahrain only 2 points here in the third.
At sobrang gigil ni Japet, pati iba naman yung pababa ng tira. Okay lang yun, hinuhuli pa niya.
He has been Mr. Everything for the Smart Gilas squad here in the second half. Could be the missing link, para sa Pilipinas, and making a strong case to getting more minutes from Coach Raiko the next few games.
Japet Aguilar definitely serving notice dito sa FIBA Asia.
Pwede.
Asi, hindi matanganan yung bola. Hindi lang para kay Coach Raiko, no? Pati to the rest of the field. We have a threat known as Japet Aguilar. Tama naman, he's been all over the floor, Coach Ronnie.
Yung energy level niya, yung enthusiasm, talagang nakakadala rito.
Beautiful pass from Baroka. No choice time pa rin kung hindi kaldagin itong si Asi.
Sabi nga natin, yung first half scoring na binigay natin dito sa Bahrain, about 40, simply too much. For a team that only averages a little over 52 points a game.
Hard foul given up by Mubarak. Di nagustuhan ni Asi yun, ha? Napawak si Asi sa kanyang tenga. Tinamaan siya. Asi shooting perfect from the free throw line so far. Di naman tayo pinahiya.
And this has been his Achilles heel all throughout his playing career. Subalit ito, working hard on his weakness and helping out the cause of a Smart Gilas, our national team, trying to bounce back after losing last night to China 75-60.
Asi now 7 for 7 mula dyan sa 15-foot line. 9 points in total para kay Darak. 77-44 Pilipinas. Namamagana ang abante rito.
A handoff and an isolation at the top of the key for Bader Malabes, and Mac Baracael will be called for a personal foul. Will send Bader Malabes to the line.
Pwede niyang dagdagan yung total nila dito sa third quarter. Halos 7.5 minuto na lumilipas. 4 na puntos pa lang ang naitatala na itong Bahrain dito sa ating ikatlong yugto.
Bader
And after a
Malabes,
hot start, nag-slow down na si Malabes
yes.
din. Ano?
Well, minarkahan na natin. Ito yung sinasabi natin. You have to be accountable for the defensive coverage na i-assign sa'yo. Hindi ka pwedeng aasa sa help. And Bader Malabes has scored over 35 points, including this game.
Baroka, long 2, Mintis, Baracael battling for that rebound. At mananatili nga sa Pilipinas ang bola as Malabes ang pinituhan ng last touch. Bad inbound though, 1-on-2. And nagpanik na itong Bahrain.
Halos open court basketball lang nakikita natin between Bahrain and Team Pilipinas. Another nice pass.
Para kay Mac
Oo,
Baracael.
kahagabi ang ating assist count ay 14 lamang, pero dito napakataas.
Tingnan mo, bumalik na naman sa 45 yung score nila. Ano ba talaga? 44 naging 45 eh. Oh.
Parang may inflation, ha?
Parang lumalaki naman lamang. Hindi na sila magre-reklamo niyan. Okay lang yan. So siguro, yan yung nung first half. Wala pa naman. 3-point shot dito, di ba?
Only 5 points in the quarter for Bahrain if that score is correct.
Baka nga 4 points eh.
Oo.
Baka dinagdag lang yun nung first half eh. Dahil 41 natapos yung second quarter. Pagsimula ng third, 40 na lang.
Alam mo, yung first quarter score natin, 30 points. 30-18. Yung talaan natin nung second quarter, 20. Kasi 51 naging 50 o 50 naging 51 ba?
51,
Pero itong third
21
quarter na naman, dahil sa maganda nating depensa, we're able to score a lot of layups. And definitely Japet Aguilar
Yun.
should be credited for just coming out with a lot of fire. Not only on the offensive end, but yung energy niya sa depensa. And likewise in contributing doon sa quickness level. Ina-outsprint natin yung mga bigs. Ayun, no? Tumakbo na naman siya, naglabas ng bola.
At tandaan natin, kung hindi G's, 11 yung lamang natin no halftime, di na tayo sure, eh, no? Paiba-iba eh. Kung hindi G's, 11, pagpasok ni Japet, 32 na ngayon ang abante natin.
Yes, pagpaumanin nyo na po dahil naiiba-iba minsan yung talaan sa score. Makmak Barakael.
Nanood naman po kami. Hindi lang kami, pero hindi lang kami sure dahil medyo magulo.
Ito, isang pulot sa offensive rebound ni Barakael at
Sinakyan na lang siya.
Oo.
Neto ni Ahmed
Sakit
Malala.
yan, ha?
Oo, ang bigat niya, no? Kita mo naman, no? Lahat ng extra rice na kinain niya, binagsak niya yung bigat nun kay Mac Barakael.
nag-uusap sila rito ni Mac Barakael.
Si Mac Barakael, eh, kamag-anak ni Wolverine yan. Sa dami ng injury niyan throughout his career, eh. Napakadali lang niyang nakaka-recover.
Yes.
Hindi niya masyado iindahin yan.
And 6 or 7 players para dito sa Smart Gilas team will play come October 2 sa pagbubukas po ng ating PBA, ang 37th season ng PBA. Of course, a lot of these players, first round draft picks.
Ayan si Mac Barakael, sa Alaska Aces maglalaro as Japet is clipped in midair. Ayaw na mamigay ng mga dunk netong Bahrain. At nag-apologize naman ito si Mubarak. Huwag mo naman ako yung isama sa poster mo, Japet.
Wala pang pahinga si Japet Aguilar dito sa third quarter.
Nagpahinga naman ng buong first half. Okay lang
At
daw.
nagpahinga ng mga nakaraang laro. Pero ito, major minutes, but definitely a major impact. Doble na natin yan. Major impact galing
Yun.
dito kay Japet Aguilar.
Makalampas doble pa nga, no? Pero ito, Japet Aguilar will be with Talk and Text this coming
Yes.
season. 37th season ng inyong Philippine Basketball
Mark
Association.
Baroka will play for the BMEG Derby Ace Limados.
Mac Barakael, itong kamag-anak ni Wolverine sa Alaska Aces.
Yes, Jason Ballesteros will play for the Meralco Bolts. JV Casio, of course, and Zio Laster for Powerade. Free slots para naman sa kupunan ng Petron. Dila na Babu.
Nasa Barako Bull.
Barako
Bull, maglalaro yan. Zasito Lava had a finger on that shot. Ranidel ngayon may tangan ng bola over to Baroka. The 5th overall pick gets it over to Japet. Asi is fouled. Si Asi, pagka ganito mga bata kasama, parang nare-rejuvenate.
Yes.
Iba yung nagigisipag niya. Dahil
Parang-
alam niya, kailangan niya makipagsama.
Parang osmosis. Nalilipat yung enthusiasm ng mga bata niyang mga kasama.
At saka kung mag-ensayo to in the last 2-3 weeks, palagi niya nilalabas sa kanyang Twitter na Mr. Laba Laba. Twice a day, nag-ensayo sa Meralco, nag-ensayo sa Gilas, tapos nagwe-weights pa. At inaano nga niya, kailangan niya yung binti niya for the next few months dahil he wants to give one last push. Dahil kung if he is in the twilight of his career, gusto niya magandang alaala, iwan niya sa lahat ng basketball fans.
Tagal-tagal na rin naglalaro si Asi para sa ating national team.
2002 nag-umpisa pa si Asi. Yung lava-lava ni Asi with a V, Baka may mag-add bigla, Paano ba yon? 35 seconds na titira sa ating third quarter. 84-47, Smart Gilas Pilipinas finally in total control of this basketball game.
And we only gave up 7 points here in the third quarter after allowing Bahrain to pour in 22 points in the second. And whatever Coach Raiko Toroman told the rest of the Smart Gilas unit during the lemon time break, definitely it worked. No, naikot yung mindset, naipaliwanag na hindi pwedeng 58% pa rin ng level ng field goal rate ditong Bahrain.
Pero minsan, Coach Ronnie, nangyayari din talagang kahit anong level ng taas ng antas ng laro ng isang team.
Nakakahawa.
Kapag medyo mababa
Yes.
ang kalaban
Totoo
mo,
yan.
nangyayari. No?
Pero tandaan mo, hindi ka pwedeng matalo rito dahil pag natalo ka, baka hindi ka pa makalusot sa second round. Of course,
May tulog
pag
no?
tinignan mo naman yung quotient talaga, malayo rin itong kupunan ng Bahrain sa UAE at Pilipinas.
3-pointer mula sa kaliwa, Mintis. At hanggang ngayon, kung hindi 7, 6 points pa lang ang ginagawa ng Bahrain dito sa third quarter. Hindi natin alam yung starting point.
Plus or minus 1.
Yan, plus or minus
Yes.
1. Give or take 7 points. Give or take 1.
Pero ito, sigurado tayo na ang Pilipinas sa score 37 points.
Yun.
Actually, kung 51 tayo nagtapos ng first half, 36. Kung 50 points, 37. And this blitz in the third has pushed us beyond the reach of Bahrain. Although we will play the final 10 minutes of this ball game.
Meron pa nga pong 10 minutong parating. Tignan natin kung meron bang ibubuga pa ang Bahrain. Lahat ng yan, sabay-sabay natin itong ngayon sa pagbabalik ng FIBA Asia 2011 dito lamang sa Active on IBC.